questions?
WH questions are discharged from WH words.
What are verbal questions?
Verbal questions are discharged from helping verb.
What are WH words?
WH words are what, where, which, who, why, etc.
What are helping verbs?
Helping verb are am, is, are, was, were, shall, will, etc.
Can you give me some examples of WH questions?
What is your name? Which school do you go to? Who is she?
Give me some examples of verbal questions.
Is this your pen? Are you coming? Shall you do it please?
Thank you.